What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, there's a way to own your own university without hiring a single teacher, without creating any courses, and without any technical headaches? Sounds impossible, right? Well, thousands of people are doing exactly this with AI Virtual Academy, collecting tuition payments 24/7 while doing absolutely nothing. Here's what nobody's talking about. Over 63 million students worldwide are already learning from AI powered platforms and paying real money for it. But here's the game changer: most people are just consuming content and staying broke, while a small group of smart individuals have flipped the script. They're not buying courses anymore, they're owning the entire platform and collecting the payments. Let me break this down. AI Virtual Academy is the world's first self running online university with 20 plus AI professors built right in. These aren't chatbots, they're fully trained AI professors teaching real subjects like math, physics, chemistry, coding, and dozens of other profitable topics. They work 24/7, never complain, never ask for a raise, and never take a day off. You activate your academy with one click, and your entire university goes live instantly with a professional website, student dashboard, payment system, and AI professors ready to teach. No technical skills, no content creation, no hiring anyone. The system handles everything: student enrollment, lesson delivery, progress tracking, and payment processing. Students sign up, your AI professors teach them, and you collect 100% of tuition fees directly. You also get a full commercial license, meaning you can sell access to your academy, rent it to schools, or franchise it to clients for instant recurring income. Think about this. While everyone else is trying to figure out how to make money online, you could own a Harvard style university that runs itself and prints money while you sleep. The creator, Abhijit, has been crushing it with AI powered websites for years and built this system to be completely beginner friendly. Even if you've never made a dollar online or are tech phobic, you can launch your AI Academy in under 60 seconds. Right now, grab AI Virtual Academy for just $21 one time payment. Yes, $21 gets you lifetime access to your own self running university with no monthly fees or hidden costs. Plus, you're protected by a 30-day money back guarantee. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Don't miss this. The price jumps to $997 per month soon, and this opportunity disappears forever. Click that link right now, secure your AI Virtual Academy, and start collecting tuition payments today. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-making opportunities. Let's get you that financial freedom you deserve.